So this is Brooks going into a baby swing. I might have to help him. Did he help?
No.
You need a swing. Balloon. Hold the camera. Wee, how do you think of it, Brooks?
Fine.
Now it's a pain to get him out.
So now we gotta get out.
It's a pain. Give it, got. Help yourself.
I can't.
I can't with drink. Alright. Let's see.
I think I can get it. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I can. How do I get off it? He wants me to go on again.
Me.
We'll see.
Go ahead.
You need to head back.
10-4. We gotta go. Brooks is in one of the baby swings, so it might be a minute or two before we get him out.
I'm scared to jump. But I have to.
Okay, put your shoes on and get the rock.
Wait. Which one? Just like Dave then. And that's how we do it.
Leave a thumbs up and subscribe.
And let me show you how I get my shoes on.
Okay, people out there. Now, by the looks of this place, where do you guys think we're at? What campground are we at? So why don't you guys subscribe below and tell me what campground you guys think
Speaking
we're
about
at.
what campground are we at, what campground are we at?
52.
Oh.
Let's go. See you later, YouTube.